Hey guys, it's Ashley and Penelope.
Hi.
I'm from Not a True Reviews. You guys all know that. Look at the lights, kind of weird. So today we're unboxing something completely new and completely different. This is Misfits Market. Oh, this is a huge box. So the premise of Misfits Market is to sell ugly fruit and vegetables at a really great rate. So this is what they call their Madness box. I'm gonna move over so get in here, P.
Okay.
It's $34. It has 18 to 20 pounds in this box. Serves 5 peoples. I literally just came from the gym. I'm like gross and sweaty, whatever. All right, there's also a smaller box though that's $19, has 10 to 12 pounds, and serves 2 people. That's called the Mischief box. I have a $25, I think, or 25%. I'm not sure. It's a referral. It's not an affiliate. They did not send this for free. I bought it. I'll put that down below. It gives you either 25% or $25 off your first purchase. I'll put that below. You can subscribe to weekly or bi-weekly. I don't know what's in here yet. The box is huge though. We go through so many vegetables. We actually were a part of a co-op, but because of my schedule right now, I can't get there every week, and it's a certain day of the week. So this is the box. I just popped the top to see what it looks like in there, and there you go. So here's your card. I did look at the menu. It said you're not going to get everything on the menu, but the menu is very varied. I love seasonal vegetables. I love learning to cook new things. So basically this is ugly stuff that you would not be able to buy at the store because it doesn't look right, but it's not rotten. Do you know what I mean? So it's ugly fruit or ugly vegetables, and that's why it's called Misfits Market. I do not care if it looks weird. I still think it tastes just the same.
It's different like me.
All right, so, wow, okay.
Ooh,
there's limes. Okay, great. So,
can I show them some?
No, just wait. All right, so,
Oh,
I don't know.
oranges.
It looks like a blood orange. I'm not actually sure. I have no idea. All right, so these are like, maybe that's why, because they just look like awkward, or maybe that's what they look like.
They look like little pumpkins.
They smell like oranges. There's 4 of those.
Oh yeah, they totally smell like oranges. They're nice and chill. Chill
right.
Oranges.
There are bell peppers. There's 1, 2. Oh, yes.
Oh, these are the awesome ones. They're huge. They're deformed, but they're
Deformed.
looking.
They're not deformed. They look fine. They actually don't look bad. Like, this one has a little bit of that, like, weathering or whatever, like leather.
Because it's like bruised.
That's
they don't want to sell those at stores.
All right, so then we've got some chilies or
Ooh.
peppers, some sort of a pepper.
Yeah, it looks like jalapenos.
I don't know if those are, no, it's way bigger than a jalapeno.
Yes? Okay.
I don't know what that, it smells like a pepper.
Oh yeah, it's real spicy.
My husband loves spicy. So, all right. This giant onion.
It's huge. Look at his little hair. It's got hair. We should just take Sharpie
all
and
right,
draw
so
face.
it looks like we have some grapefruit. Now I can see where this is considered ugly fruit. Like it has just this spot. That's not a big deal. That's not a big deal. So 2 grapefruits. Yeah. I love grapefruit, by the way. All right, we've got some. This looks like some sort of lettuce.
Here. It looks to me like kale.
Yeah, it might be kale. I was
stalks.
going to say kale. It's bright green kale, though. Usually kale is like dark.
Yeah.
But this is a brighter green, so that's cool.
It's
we
like
make kale
broccoli
salad.
fluffy.
Ooh, another orange.
Oh, more oranges.
2 limes, so perfect for Taco Tuesday when you make pico de gallo. Ooh, yes! Oh, look, there's more. Hold on.
There's a
All
lot
right,
more.
these are star fruits. There's
Ooh.
2 star fruits.
I want to try some.
I've actually never had a star fruit.
Can we eat some?
No, not right now.
Not now.
No, we're gonna let this rot in our kitchen. No, but this was on the menu for the week, and I think that's so cool. So anyway, so by the way, we are only like halfway down. Wow.
There's still a lot.
All right, there's celery, which lasts forever. I actually hate celery. That's
love
its
celery.
own long story. There are 2 stalks of celery.
I love celery.
It's like almost 9 o'clock at night. Another lime.
You put the lime in the coconut, shake it all up.
All right, then we've got another orange. So tons of oranges.
What is this?
Green beans.
Green beans. I don't know why they wouldn't sell green beans.
Oh yes. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. 2 more star fruits.
Oh yes, star fruits. You need to eat these because I never had a star fruit.
Another lime. Oh my gosh, I love I'm so in love. So worth it. $34 if you went to the store. And my co-op I would pay anywhere from, depends on like deep winter right now, it's probably maybe $25 or $20. And you get not even half of this. So $34 for all of this is great. And then in the summer, it would be like $34 and you'd get not as much. But anyway, I love my co-op though. I'm not trying to say bad things about it, but still.
Lots of
a
veggies.
beet. I love beets.
Oh, this beet looks awkward, but oh look, he has hair too.
Beet.
They all have hair.
There are 1, 2, 3. Hold on.
Oh, mangoes!
4 mangoes.
Oh, yes, I love mangoes.
All right, so we're down to the wire here.
Okay.
We got 1 onion, 1 more, so that's 2 onions. Holy smokes, there's so much food.
They all have.
So I did the bi-weekly for us because I didn't know how much, and I'm glad because if this was a week, we'd never eat it all. So there are 4 cucumbers. Are these zucchinis? These are zucchinis because look, it has the top, the little hat. Those are zooks. Anyway, so we're definitely going to be cooking with all this stuff. What do you think?
Okay, so this is an essay question, but I'm going to do a short video question. So I like the limes, I like the celery, I like the onions, I like everything except for the beets. I don't like beets.
Anyway, there's a lot of food. I am really excited to eat all this. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think of this box down below. If you're a big vegetable person, if you like organic and all that good stuff. As always, I will link to my full review below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.